Originating in Mexico, nachos are traditionally tortilla chips covered in melted cheese. Hi, my name is Kyle, and welcome to Worldwide Cannabis News and Entertainment. And today, I'm going to show you this recipe for the ultimate nachos. Alright, here are the ingredients that I'm going to make some nachos. I'm going to use the one with the lean ground beef that has 92% lean, 8% fat. This is going to be only 1 pound of those. I also have here refried beans. I'm going to use the Amy's vegetarian organic refried beans with the traditional one. And I'm going to use one of the service suggestions that has to be, I'm going to show you what it looks, 15.4 ounce, which makes about 437 G. I got some Garden of Eatin taco seasoning made with organic garlic. I don't need to put some garlic here, goes right into the beef. And I got some green olives that has been sliced and pitted. You can use black olives, red olives, even the plum olives. That measure only about half a cup. You're gonna need for a tomato salsa. I'm gonna use one of the On the Border Mexican grill and carnita medium salsa. This jar that has only 16 ounce. I'm gonna use only about 4 ripe mini avocados that has been cubed. And already removed the pit. Gonna need a lime. Going to put that to squeeze it after it's going to bake it in the oven. Gonna use these for the tortilla chips, which included the white or yellow tortilla chips. I'm going to try with the restaurant style tortilla chips, made with 100% white corn. This is only for the 13 ounce bag. And I got some pepper jack cheese that has been put in the fridge. Pepper jack cheese that has with the Monterey Jack with jalapeno peppers. And we're gonna top more salsa and we're gonna double it with some sour cream. We got everything together, so let's get to cook. Alright, I have a non-stick skillet over about like medium or medium-high heat. I already put about 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Want to get the oil nice and hot before you're going to put it into the meat. Like I'm using for the ground beef, you can use any meat combination you want for it, which is the pork, veal, even the Italian sausage. Or you can try with the poultry one with the chicken, even the one with turkey. I forgot to tell you about the Italian sausage. You can try with the hot, spicy, mild, even the sweet one. I like the one with the sweet Italian sausage with the nachos because it's going to be great. The oil is almost getting hot in the skillet. Let's begin to start with the browning the beef. Going to break it up with a wooden spoon so I want to get no longer pink. Alright, the beef is just almost browned over. Then I turn it about medium-high heat. We're going to drain off the excess fat from the meat. I decided I can use a sieve to drain really easily instead of pouring out to spill. I'm going to return it back from the skillet. To the skillet, not from the skillet. I'm going to sprinkle 3/4 teaspoons of kosher salt and half teaspoons of ground black pepper according to taste. Sprinkle right onto this beef. And don't forget to sprinkle some taco seasoning. We're using a 1.4 ounce, 39 grams. Garden of Eatin. You can smell these for the taco seasoning. And you keep moving over, give that a nice color. I also got to put it into a 1/4 cup of beef broth. Stir all the way into the skillet and you can smell these with the flavor of the taco seasoning. And I already preheat the oven for 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Want to make sure the oven will be nice and hot before you're going to layer and assemble the nachos. This might be perfect. You can go ahead and turn on the heat. I'm going to finish the rest. And now we're going to plop in some refried beans. We're going to put it into the microwave safe bowl. You're going to get that out from the can. I'm just going to use a spoon to scoop these all from the can. We're going to microwave these. Make sure to read the can below for the directions. We're going to heat up for 2 minutes. And you're going to let it stand in the microwave for 1 minute after heating. I'll plop it and don't forget to cover it. I'm going to use the one with wax paper. Going to heat up for 2 minutes to cook. There we go. It's nice and hot in the microwave. I'm gonna keep stirring all the way. You can use it with a spoon. And we'll be ready to assemble to layer nachos. Alright, we're gonna be ready to assemble to layer the nachos. We're going to start by laying out the tortilla chips onto the cookie sheet. Then I'm going to use it lining with aluminum foil or parchment paper that I spray with non-stick cooking spray with olive oil with the foil on it. I'm going to layer the tortilla chips one by one. I'm going to spread these tortilla chips. You do it by hand. You can put it into the casserole dish for the individual ones. The layer the beef has been lean ground to cook with the taco seasoning to sprinkle with the flavor. And with the beef broth. Put that right onto the first layer on the tortilla chips. Like I said, you can put any combination of the meat or poultry, even there for the sausage. Right? Gonna layer the refried beans, gonna spoon it onto the beef. And just gonna spread it with a back and spoon. You can also use the one with a rubber spatula. I'm going to sprinkle with some pepper jack cheese. It says to use 3 cups of those. Has only 12 ounces. You don't need to put some peppers on it, but the cheese inside has the jalapeno peppers. You can use whatever type of cheese you want, which is the mild cheddar cheese, Kobe Jack, Monterey Jack, whatever type of cheese you want. Or you can also try one with the Tex-Mex. Alright, so that's 12-ounce package of pepper jack cheese. Has been shredded Monterey Jack cheese with jalapeno peppers. I'm going to take some sliced olives. I'm going to use one from the green olives. I'm going to put it one by one on top of the cheese. Like I'm saying, you can use the one with the black olives. The olives has to be nice and ripe, either way with the red or plum olives. But I'm going to try the one that I have leftover with the green olives. It has been already removed from the pit, and you can smell the olives inside from the jar or from the can. Then you're going to take the salsa. You're going to use a spoon to scoop on top of the cheese and olives. Just want to give it a little dollop. So this jar has only 16 ounces. Right, that's about a 16-ounce jar of medium salsa that I'm going to use it one. So once after we build all layer of nachos to assemble, we're going to pop this in the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to pop these for about like 15, 18, 20, or 25 minutes. It depends how long it takes. We're just going to keep an eye on it in the oven. I'll come back and show you how it looks. Alright, here we are. After I just guessed for 30 minutes to bake in the oven, and you can see the cheese is all melted on top of the tortilla chips with the lean ground beef, refried beans, and the olives stickers on top of it, and the salsa too. We're going to finish layering. I'm going to sprinkle with these avocado. Has been already cubed. Goes right onto that after it's just baked. Then I'm going to squeeze it with the lime. I usually squeeze half of those onto the avocado, and the other half I'm going to squeeze the rest on top of that after it's just baked from this. Has been nice and crispy nachos. So squeeze it right on top. So this is only one lime that I squeeze it, half of the avocado and half of the rest of the layer of the nachos. And last but not least, the sour cream. I'm going to spoonfully on top of that after laying for the next avocado. I'm just going to, just a little bit of the dollop. I'm going to use 8-ounce container. Here's what it looks of finishing the ultimate nachos. Nachos are a snack food, and for some reason are especially delicious while watching sports. So throw all these ingredients together, grab a beer, turn on your TV, and enjoy. Did you enjoy this video? Let us know in the comments what you think about this. Check out these other recipes from In the Kitchen with Worldwide Campus on this playlist. Then be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified for our latest videos.